Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. Today we are going to make program to swap two numbers without temporary variable. We are taking variable a equal to 10. So its value we have given as 10. In the memory one variable is created. Its name is a. Its value is 10. Taking one more variable b equal to 20. In the memory, one more variable is created. Its name is b and the value is 20. We are going to swap these two numbers. Here we are not using third variable or temporary variable. A equal to a plus b. The value of a is 10 plus value of b is 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. So this 30 is copied to a. New value of a is 30. b equal to a minus b. Value of a is 30 minus value of b is 20. 30 minus 20 is 10. 10 is copied to b. New value of b is 10. a is equal to a minus b. Value of a is 30 minus value of b is 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 is copied to a. New value of a is 20. By this logic, we can see that in the a we have 20, in the b we have 10. So the values are swapped. Now we are going to display the swapped values. Print. In the double quotes, we are passing message after swapping. A is concatenating with variable a. Again concatenating with the message, and b is concatenating with variable b. Now we are going to run the program. Initially, a was 10 and b was 20. After swapping, a is 20 and b is 10. The values of a and b are fixed. We can take these values from user. Input. We are passing a message. Enter value of a. Similarly, input. Enter value of b. In Python, by default, the input we take is of string. So we are converting to integer. Int. So whatever input we will take, that will be converted to integer and stored to a. In the similar manner, for b, int, start with the bracket, end with the bracket. The value of b will be taken, converted to integer and stored to b. Now running the program, enter value of a, let's say 10. Enter value of b, let's say 20. So here this 10 is converted to integer and stored to a. Then 20 is converted to integer and stored to b. They are swapped, and here we are not using any third or temporary variable. Directly with the logic we have swapped. After swapping, a is 20 and b is 10. So that's all for today. Thank you.